Yeah.
That's part of his beak.
The top part?
Looks like it.
No. Look where his eyes are. His eyes are by the beak.
I know, but that white piece on top?
It's like a fin.
It's not just hair. Feathers. I thought that green one in the middle was the giant one.
I saw it too when we first came around.
Can you get back down?
Are you sure you ate?
Pretty funny to see me all around. Right? I wonder if they clip part of their wings so they don't fly.
Yeah, it could be.
Probably right. I heard a lady over there saying that that's what she thought. I was like, huh, might be.
It's a pretty bird.
Who's a pretty bird? Meh.
Meh.
Hello.
Look at my feathers.
Who's a pretty bird?
I wonder if I just go like that, like, look, I'm a tree branch.
Who's a pretty bird?
Hey, closer to it. Hey, bird.
Who's a pretty bird?
Hello.
Can't you see I'm taking a bath?
Treats. You guys like treats? Okay.
I got that on video.
Not very friendly, are you? Are you friendly?
Aw, back there.
Australian perch.
I'm down under. Addie, there's a sign that says no trespassing.
So there's that cage and then it goes back down. And then it'll probably loop back this way.
Yep.
Upside down bird.
Who needs Batman when you could be Parrot Man?
You gotta go
Just
like
scream at everyone and being upside down.
Yeah, halfway through and stuff. You'll see a row, like bang, all kinds of stuff on one page where it has a bunch of different names all the time.
You're so quiet.
Your dogs are so cute.
Thank you.
Are those pit bulls?
The pugs.
What did you just ask?
With the pit bulls. We took the bigger one to the vet one time, and this little kid was there. He's like, "Oh, a baby bulldog."
Well, that's closer than a pit bull. That's some kind of wrinkles going on.
See, that was the cartoon, the pug cartoon they were talking about.
Get out of there!
Cool.
Are you dumb? What was that? Is it dog? Oh my gosh, so many little
Do you want to go down that way?
Sure.
Yeah, there's a line under it, so that means it's capital.
And he's not used to all the attention being on other dogs.
Nobody likes me.
Let me on top. I was just screwed.
This guy, hornbill, silvery cheeked hornbill.
a loud flyer.
Right?
I wonder.
Maybe that's like a horn.
Considering his name's Hornbill, I'm gonna assume so.
Because you see how like the bottom part
Yeah.
looks like a bill,
Like he has a beak and then like something on top.
like a horn.
Yeah. Again, Hornbill. But I wonder, like, is there any use for it? Or is it just to intimidate?
Mm. It doesn't say anything.
They live for 50 years.
A lot of birds outlive their owners and then they end up here. Yeah, right? Some birds can live for like 80 years.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at the turquoise, teal looking.
Is that peacock?
Oh, I didn't see that.
Here we have the flightless bird. The peacock would. The peacock over there is showing its feathers. Over there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
Take a picture.
That's the secret garden that I think the tourists can't go in.
So the tops of back there.
Uh-huh. Those are for the lorries, yeah. The hair on that one.
Huh.
Oh, look at that. Andrew, do you see that? Yeah. Look at me. Look at my pretty feathers.
Hi.
He likes to be pet.
That's pretty. Oh, I'm waiting for the last one to do it. Like, okay.
Abby, can you sit? Hey.
She's showing off.
Abby. What a pretty picture.
Of course. Stand off.
Dance off.
Where are you at?
Oh, new Garden of Eden thing?
Yeah, I want to go look in there. I think this is where we can't have the dogs.
Take the pugs.
Loop this part in your hand here. Butters!
Alright, you pick. Walking this way?
Yeah, that's it.
I'll be over here.
I'm pretty sure I got two shows.
That little girl, she's like, ah! I don't know what kind of birds these are, but I don't think they're lorries. It's pretty in here. Oh, look at those. Look at those feathery feet. Do you hear that? He's dropping a beat. Look at him puffing up his feathers.
Which one?
That one in the back. That one. He's the one that's grunting.
The king bird. Get away from my food.
Yeah, look at that one just sitting on one leg. Do you hear him grunting at them? Oh, there's a big one right there too. There's about to be a little standoff in there.
Hey, bird.
Ah! It almost touched my hair.
It's you friendly. You fly me. Huh? Wanna jump on? No? Where are you?